It's Gigga time!
Hello, friends. Look, it's Gigga the alien and his buddy Ticky. They're bored in space. Are they coming to Earth for a blue adventure?
Wow, look at that! This is the best trip ever! Hi, Earth friends! We landed on Earth for a blue adventure! Hey, look at this amazing village! Wow! Big blue letters on each house! B-L-U-E!
B is for B-L-U-E. Let's see what's inside.
Woo! Look at all the blue-packed peanuts! Jump with me! Jump, jump, throw! What letter is this? B for blue everywhere! Gigga, look! The next house!
Ooh, nice, Ticky. Look, a big blue L.
Yes! Wow, Ticky! Gooey blue slime!
Stretch it long, pull with me.
L for B-L-U-E. Say L. Come on, Gigga! I can't wait to see inside! This is so exciting! Yummy blue candy!
Mmm, so sweet. Taste with me.
U for B-L-U-E. Say U. The last house. It's the letter E. B-L-U-E. Blue bounces. Jump with us. E. E for B-L-U-E. Say E. We saw so much blue. What have you seen?
Tell us your blue things.
Bye-bye, Earth friends! We saw so much blue. Adventure complete. See you soon!